where hands meet. In a quiet town, there was a big bridge. The bridge was old but strong. It connected two parts of the town. People crossed it every day, but they never stopped to talk. One day, a storm came. The river under the bridge rose high, and the bridge became weak. The townspeople were worried. "If the bridge falls, we cannot see each other," they said. A young boy named Liam had an idea. He ran to the town square and said, "Let's work together. If we all help, we can fix the bridge." At first, people were quiet. Then an old woman said, "Liam is right. We need this bridge. Let's help." The next morning, everyone came to the bridge. Some brought wood. Some brought tools. Children carried small stones. Even the oldest man in the town brought a hammer. Liam smiled and said, "Let's join hands and work together." The people worked all day. They talked and laughed as they worked. The bridge became stronger and stronger. By sunset, it was ready. Everyone stood back and looked at the bridge. It was beautiful. The townspeople felt proud. An old man said, "This bridge is more than wood and stone. It is made of our hands and hearts." From that day, the bridge was not just a way to cross the river. It became a place where people met, shared stories, and helped each other. Liam learned something important. When hands meet, great things happen. And every time someone crossed the bridge, they remembered the day they built it together.